Right, so we're starting our decking down here on this level, and we've got a border in walnut, a field base in cobblestone. So to start it off, I've got a random piece in there just to keep my separation against the wall. And now I'm gonna fasten down my cobblestone board. I'm gonna use a Cortex screw with a plug so that it's not gonna bend on us as we install the rest of the field boards. Little trick, if you take your plug, please line up the grain with the grain of the deck board so that it blends in so much nicer. Disappeared! Magic!